Hello, so now deployment of Teams. You are ready to deploy Teams in your organization. Maybe you have Skype for Business. Maybe you don't know really how to deploy it. So you have Fast Track. Fast Track is Microsoft Help. So Fast Track is a team from Microsoft designed to help you to really get all the tools, the resources and advice you need to upgrade to Microsoft 365 to Teams, for example. So here you have the fast track URL, so you can go and see the fast tracks. It's just provide you with a set of best practice. And here you have also some, a lot of docs, very useful. I use it a lot, to have Microsoft Team technical documentation, how to, upgrade from Skype for Business, find training and videos, and user team help, a lot of adoption hub. So really use it, use it, use it, use it. After you have the success kit here, so this is very, very nice also. So it's just practical graphical guide to deliver to see how it's working, how do people chat, how the meeting conferencing is working, the cloud voice upgrade. So a lot of business voice, a lot of very useful tips. Okay, and here also all information about deploying chat teams here. So after that, you have what is Office 365 group. Okay, so you must know that when you create a Microsoft team in the backend, you create an Office 365 group with the associated SharePoint document library, OneNote, as well the links to other Office. So when I create here, for example, a team. Okay, so this is team. Okay, if I want to create a new team here, he will create a new Office 365 group. Okay, so let's create a new team here, and let's say it's private here, so people need permission to join, for example. So I will say, for example, to do in project X here. Okay, let's put it uppercase here. It's going to be more nice to do in project X here, X. And after that, he's creating an Office 365 group. Okay, so that's it. And after, you can add, members here. So for example, let's add Mulder here from X files. You know that. Let's add, for example, Bobby. I don't know if I have Bobby here. I think I have Bobby. I don't have any. So I have John. I think so. Yeah, that's it. Johnny here. And let's say, I don't know if I have somebody, let's say like this one. Yeah, Eric, Christian, Thomas, this one. So I can say that they are member or owner, okay, but they are member. I can put somebody owner if I want, okay. So I do close here, and of course they will see automatically the that's it. If I go so now, for example, on this one, and this is my my chat here, my Teams. I will see, of course, to do project Y because I am Mulder here, and I just have been invited here in this team here. After that, I can inside it create some channel. We'll see that after. Okay. So remember that also when you delete an Office 365 group, okay, and you must wait 20 minutes before it's deleted the teams, okay? So this is something that you must know. So after that, Microsoft Teams allow individual teams to self-organize and collaborate in different business scenarios, okay? So teams are a collection of people, like I just did, about a project. So teams can be created to be private only to guest user, okay? So that's what I did, and you can add also public, and you can open it to the even people who are not in the organization, and you can add up to 2,500 members. Wow! You remember that there is two roles in a team. There is the one who created the team and the members. That's why here I put you a small table about all what the team owner can do and all what the team member can or cannot do here. Okay, so you can take some time to read this. The channel. What is a channel? Okay, so when I'm here inside it, I have a general channel. Okay, but maybe I have I want to create channel. A channel is just like it's a dedicated section within a team to keep conversation organized by specific topics. Team channel are place where everyone on the team can have open conversation. Private chat are only visible to those people in the chat. Channels are most useful when extended with apps that include tabs, connector, robots. Okay, you will see all that after. And the general channel is created when you create the team. Okay, so like I told you here, I have this one was created automatically. So now, for example, let's say that I want to create a channel. Okay, so let's say that here it's the manager channel. Okay, and see everyone on the team. Or I can do private here. If I want, I can just do private, and after I can invite people. And I can say, for example, in this one, let's say that I have, I don't know if I put this one A, no, it's not A, P, no, T, yeah. Let's say only this one, okay? So she's the only user who can see this one, okay? So the other, of course, user will not be able to see it. So if manager channel here, you will not see it here. Okay, why? Because I'm Mulder. Okay, I'm not Christy. Okay, so that's it. This is very nice. You can just create and after that you have here you can manage the channel and get link to the channel. Okay, and you have link to the channel. This is very nice. Okay, so after you have private chat. Oh, it's not like this. It's not cats. Meow. You can deactivate. So meaning that when a private chat is an online conversation between two people, okay, and when you add people, you will be asked to specify the part of the chat that the new person in the conversation will be allowed to view. Okay, you can choose to include all chat history, no history, or chat history for a certain number of days in the past. And you have also the channel chat. Okay, so when you do channel chat, everybody can see the chat in the channel. Be aware that when you do that, you can disable, of course, private chat. Okay, so private chat is this. So for example, I go in chat here, and I have a private chat with Fabrice Chanuski. Okay, so if I say hello, look what happened here. Hello, reply, hi, how are you this morning? This morning. And see, I receive it. This is a private chat here. See, it's chat, private chat. And of course, I can go after in Office 365, go here in message policies, and I can say chat here, I do off here. Okay, so it's very simple to do that. Okay, you can do it for everybody, or you can create a special policies and apply it to of course only some of your user. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I love it. And of course the channel chat is this one. It's inside the channel. So if you go here and I go here, for example, let's say to do here. Okay, so to do, you have general here. No, sorry, it wasn't here. It's in mine here. Sorry. So in the general here, I can say, oh, hello. I have a nice project and need to present it. Okay, so of course I will sit here because okay, and I can reply it. Okay, I can reply, and I can even use this, to say, okay, if I want to find somebody who's important, I can do the at, like this, and say, okay, please, Johnny, see. Are you okay? See, and it will just say, okay, Johnny, hey, there's something for you. So reply to your conversation here and say that's it. So that's quite nice, because even with Johnny, I can do a chat with him, and wow, this is amazing. I love it, really. I don't know how you can do without that. Yes. Okay, so that's finished this video. Let's after speak about the authentication and access. Bye bye.